So here's how you can loop voice recordings on your Android phone. Let me show you how you can make it work. If it's your first time being here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, essentially it depends on which a voice recorder app you are using, but as long as you are using the built-in one, like for example, on the Samsung device, which is a very common scenario, I can get inside of the voice recorder. And if I do record something, using in here the built-in interface, whenever I'm done with it, I can tap on the stop, right? And I can click on a save. And this is the one which I can click on and essentially decide to loop it, right? Because I have the ability to essentially go at the beginning. So choose the beginning portion of that, click on repeat, which is going to choose like the A, the beginning point. Then I can go to the end and tap it again. So it's going to choose the B, which is the ending point. And now if I just, as you can see, I can let it go from A to B, and it's just going to keep on going like that over and over again, because I just set up the looping for that period of the recording. So obviously I can make it be part of anything, right? So it doesn't have to be just beginning to the end. You can be like repeating the middle portion of the recording, however you set it up. And obviously you can as well change the speed of that, so that's really useful. So I really hope that I was able to explain and show you how you can make it work. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.